guys, happy Valentine's Day. And it is actually snowing. We got up in the morning and saw that it's snowing. So I hope it snows more. It's kind of stopped right now. I'm sitting here with my veggie rolls, which I kind of burnt, I think, a little bit, and my black tea, and enjoying the snow outside. Let me show you guys in the front. It looks blue. So cold.
It's cold. Close it.
It's cold. It's cold. It's
Close it,
cold.
so
I just wanted to take a video of it.
Close it. So cold.
Oh, look at that, guys.
Close.
I hope it snows more,
Mommy,
and I hope the sun comes up.
It's cold.
Okay, wait.
Close the door. I'm in shorts, for God's sake.
I know, but see that people have walked around. Look at that. Look at the footprints there.
Yes. Now
But it's so cold. How are they? Oh my God, it's really cold.
Can you close the door if it's so cold?
Your friends are out. Your friends are here. Your friends are here. I think my son's friends are all out. Beautiful. It looks so nice. I wanted to share this with you guys. See this black tea I have here? I've actually left all dairy products. So I don't put milk nowadays. I just started doing this. I'm not putting milk because I needed a tiny bit of milk. So I was to make it with milk. But what I do is I boil the water just with a little bit. That way I don't have to even take too much of caffeine, because without caffeine also, like without the tea, it's very difficult for me. And my doctor told me that I should like leave all these things. But the thing is, it's very difficult without tea. I don't have coffee or anything, but tea I'm really addicted to. I need at least like 2 cups, like morning and then in the evening. So now what I'm doing is, in order to bring it down a little, I have started doing this. So I boil the tea in the water, like I put a little bit of tea powder, and I don't put too much. I put very little, because when you put it just in water, you don't need too much to make that, decoction, like, so it'll get like that color instantly if you put even a little bit of tea leaves. So I do that, and with that I'm adding these things. This is something, in India, we all do. So something my mom told me to do it, so I'm doing this. So I put this cumin seeds, but I use the powder. I made a powder and kept of the cumin seeds, which I use in the food also while cooking and all. So I put that, a spoon, and then I put this, just a pinch. And this is, I don't know what it's called in English. I will try to find and put it in the description. But in Hindi, it's called ajwain. So it is very good for bloating and all that. So I just put a pinch of this, because this has very strong pungent smell. So I put very pinch of this because this is very good. So I put it. So this smell of this cumin kind of covers it up. And again, if you don't like the smell, you can also add a little bit of fennel seeds. The fennel seeds will give a little bit sweetness to the tea. So it's been helping me actually. So every day, like with breakfast now, I try to make tea like this. So when you see black, it's actually, it doesn't really have much of tea leaves in it. Actually, it has a very tiny bit of tea leaves in it, like not even a spoon in it. So that's how I'm doing it and drinking it in the morning, so that I'm not completely getting rid of the tea, but I'm trying to tone it down by doing this and having it. So
Happy Valentine's Day
to all our subscribers
our subscribers
and to everyone who is not subscribed also.
who is not subscribed also. Bye, guys.
You're not going to say subscribe to my mom's channel?
Yeah, subscribe to my mom's channel.
Oh my God! Suddenly, a bird flew up near the window, sitting all over on the tree. Look at that. I've not seen this many birds on my tree. They look all chubby. What birds are those? See, they look like brown. They have brown. I can't focus that much. Do you see that? They have like brown underneath and then black, and they're like sitting so like chubby, like they're cold or something. But look at, I think they're like going in flocks or something, right? Flying together. Look, all of them came and sat at the same time. So pretty. Just eating some egg curry. Had some egg curry for lunch, and then now I'm eating some mangoes. I got this nice big mangoes from, where did I get it? I think Sam's Club, yeah. There, those are the mangoes, guys. What are these called? Capco. I don't know. I think we call them Alfonso mangoes or something. These are these big mangoes. So they're still getting ripe. They were like a lot green when I got them. I had selected them and I got few, but they're still getting ripe. So it's not fully ripe, but I still cut one to eat. Oh, let me show you guys here. It's actually snowed really good now. Now we can see like the flakes falling. It looks really beautiful outside. Now we can see some flakes falling. Flakes are falling everywhere now. Yeah, we're not able to see the flakes that much. Now we can see the flakes actually. See that? The top of the houses. Look at my tree. I want it to snow nicely and it should get little warmer, but it doesn't look like today it's going to get any warm. It's very cold.
Eating some fresh snow on a fresh day. There we go.
Bye guys, I'm going to end the vlog here, and thank you so much for watching. Spend your day with your Valentines. I'm spending with mine. My Valentines are my two boys, so I'm spending my time with them. So spend your time with your family. Bye guys.